In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products and services into Xero using a CSV file. We'll walk through the full process so you can move your item list into Xero quickly and accurately. Start by logging into Xero and making sure you're in the right organization. From the dashboard, go to Sales, then open Products and Services. This is where your item list lives, and where you'll find the option to bring in multiple items at once. Click Import. If this is your first time, or you don't already have a properly formatted file, download the sample import template. Using Xero's template helps you avoid formatting issues, because the column names and order are exactly what Xero expects. Open the CSV template on your computer in a spreadsheet tool like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. Keep it as a CSV format. Don't convert it to another file type. Now enter your product or service details into the relevant columns. At a minimum, include a clear item code and a description so you can identify each item later. If you sell the item, add a sales price and assign the correct sales account and tax rate. If you buy the item from suppliers, include the purchase price and the appropriate purchase account and tax rate. Keep item codes unique, use consistent naming, and avoid extra spaces or special characters that could cause errors. If any fields are optional and you don't use them, leave them blank rather than inventing values. When you're done, save the completed CSV file. Make sure it remains in CSV format, ideally UTF-8 encoded. Double-check that there are no blank rows at the bottom, and that any numbers are plain numbers, not formulas. Return to Xero, back on the import screen for products and services. Upload the CSV file you just saved. Xero will display a preview so you can review the imported item details before anything is finalized. This is your chance to verify that each column lined up correctly, that prices and tax rates look right, and that there aren't any duplicate item codes you didn't intend to update. If something looks off, cancel here, fix the CSV, and try again. Once everything checks out, click Complete Import. Xero will process the file and add the items to your list. After the confirmation, give your products and services page a quick scan and spot check a few items to ensure the information imported as expected. For larger imports, consider starting with a small test file first, and always keep a backup of the CSV you uploaded so you can reference or reuse it later.